Let's move on to the final bird then. Bird C, red bird. Off you go.
Oh my God!
Look at his head. Which was the bird that was giving the worms?
Can you just swallow what's in your mouth now?
Yep. Gone.
I love that. That's a little showing off at the end.
OK.
I think it's yellow. You was like gagging. You wanted to walk off the stage, but you didn't. You controlled yourself really well. I've got to say yellow.
I think she might be onto a winner there.
Do you think yellow? Because he looked like he was gagged, but that could be a fake. Like, and the last one he didn't chew and swallow, which
It's all gone, darling. My gob is empty.
OK, I'm going to give you a chance to confirm your suspicions. You can ask Brian to feed again from one of the birds.